So Craig, my delivery guy's just turned up, and this is what he's brought me. This is my TET ready KTM 690 Enduro with a full Rally Raid kit. So hey everybody, Billy from Billy's Bike Adventures. Thanks for tuning in, watching the video today. So yes, so this is the new bike that I have. Well, it's a second-hand bike, but new for me. The KTM 690 Enduro R. It's a 14 plate, so a good few years old now, but it's got the full Rally Raid kit on it. I say full Rally Raid. It's got the Evo 2 kit on it. So as you know, the Evo Rally Raid kit has been updated since then, but I've got the Evo 2 kit on it. Looks an absolute awesome bike. Can't wait to get out on it and try it out before I actually go on the Trans Euro Trail in France. So what has the bike got on it? Well, it's got the fuel tank, the additional fuel tanks, the 2 fuel tanks either side of the frame at the front, so I'm going to have no problem in terms of distance and fuel capacity. I'm going to get a good 280-300 kilometers out of the bike before I need to refuel, so perhaps even more than that. So really looking forward to the travelling on that bike. No need for an auxiliary tank sitting on the rear rack of the bike. The bike also has a little power switch at the front on the handlebars. Now that power switch, what that does or switches, it switches between the bike's current setting and increasing the advanced power. So in the bike as standard comes with a 2 mapping option. You've got your less power setting, so that's for rain and when it's particularly slippery out on the roads, and you've also got an advanced setting or advanced mapping setting that delivers a little bit more fuel, probably giving it a little bit more power. And so you have to take the seat off to be able to do that, a little bit fiddly. So what this switch does on the handlebar, it just allows me to switch between having the bike set from the internal system on a lighter set or a less power setting, so the rain setting, and also the advanced setting. So I can just use the switch on the bike, and as with most things, it has to be closed throttle idling for that power switch to take effect when you actually flick the switch. So looking forward to using that and making the most of that when I'm out on the Trans Euro Trail. The bike also comes with a brand new wings exhaust as well, so looking forward to installing that. So keep watching, there'll be another video about the installation of that and how the bike sounds with the standard exhaust versus how it sounds with the new wings exhaust. There is going to be a weight difference as well. Standard exhaust is a lot heavier than the wings exhaust, so looking forward to see what that weight variation is. So that'll offset some of the weight that I'm going to be adding to the bike in terms of kit. So talking of kit, let me just show you some of the things that I've acquired in preparation for the trip. So let me do that now. So here's what I've accumulated so far for the TET trip in France, end of June, beginning of July, with my good pal Stefan later this year. So first of all, I've got the Inca 1, the Slummit Inca 1 flash frame quick setup tent. Now there is a card just up here. Click on that. That'll tell you, that'll give you my initial thought. I set it up in my back garden, show you how to set it up and give you my initial thoughts once I got inside on what I think of the tent. I'll be doing a review on that during and after the trip. Right here I've got my Vango Ultra Pro 100 sleeping bag. Now it's the 100, so that means it's only a 2-season sleeper bag, but the data on it says that it can go down to as much as -10, so I'm hoping we're not going to need it to be that cold, but fingers crossed we'll be okay. I've got a inflatable mattress here, really important for a hard day's riding and a good night's sleep at the end of the day. I've got my jet boil flask here with the gas canister. Really looking forward to using that. Got a nice convenient way of cooking, and it's small and compact, so don't need any other pots or pans for cooking. I've got my Thor knee and shin protectors. Really looking forward to using the new Krieger OS 32 litre soft pannier bags. My mate has tried it already, loads and loads of space in there, so really looking forward to using that. And of course, last and not least, the Moose, brand new Moose XCR racing jacket. This folds up into a little bum bag, or for you guys in America, a fanny pack. So really convenient to have around your waist and just use it whenever you want to. So that's the kit that I've accumulated so far. Really looking forward to giving you a good review on all of the kit during and post the trip. Still more kit to get, but for now I've got the bulk of what I need, and just trousers, pants and boots to get as well, and I'm pretty much going to be there, although I do need some upper body armour, which I don't have at the moment. So pretty much there, and really looking forward to getting out and giving all the kit a good try. So when I'm going to be in France, I will be doing a live broadcast from the French Pyrenees and the French TET. That'll be probably about a 15-minute broadcast each day. Times and dates I'll share that with you as we get closer to the trip, and I'll share that on the live broadcast that I'm going to start doing each month. So I will share that with you, and really what I want to be doing on those updates is just sharing the rides that we've been doing today, the challenges of the day, and where we've ended up, so it keeps you in progress or informed of where we are and how the trip has gone relating to the French TET, and if that's something that you're thinking about challenging in the future. So hopefully it'll be quite informative in terms of sharing with you our experiences and what it was like on the 690 Enduro R. And of course I will be reviewing all the kit that I've got for this particular trip: the tent, the panniers, the jacket, the boots, the trousers, the sleeping bag, the cooker, etc. So that will follow after the trip as well. So lots to share with you regarding the French TET trip as I prepare and as I execute, and then come back and be able to tell you how the trip went. So don't forget, Billy's Bike Adventures going live on March the 26th, 1 hour broadcast per month, the last Tuesday of each month. Really looking forward to you dialing in and listening to that. I'm hoping to have competitions from the very first month, so competition giveaways. So I've reached out to a few people, and hopefully they're going to donate something to Billy's Bike Adventures to be able to give a prize away each month. So and other things, of course, I will be talking to you about planning for the TET and my experiences of the 690 Enduro R. But I want to hear from you guys as well. Email me, get in touch with me, leave messages below on the videos about what content you'd like me to cover on the live broadcast, or questions, and if you've got anything to share with the audience or Billy's Bike Adventures community, get in touch as well. It'd be great for us to be able to share your stories and comments as well on that channel and on those live broadcasts as well. So plenty happening at the moment. Sorry it's been a little bit quiet for the last few weeks, but now back into the swing of things, and really looking forward to sharing with you more information about the bike and the kit and the preparation and the planning. Now that we're almost there with the planning and the prep for the trip, we of course need to test all the bike and the kit and everything. So I will be letting you know where I'm going to be riding in the very near future to test out the kit. It'd be great if you came along and had a ride with us. Me and my mate Stefan, if you came along and had a ride with us, had a beer with us, even done the couple of days that we're going to do, camp out with us and have a couple of beers, shoot the breeze. It'd be really good. So stay tuned for more information about that. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Leave me your comments and your questions relating to the change of bike. As I said, I know some of you have already commented on the fact that I've switched bikes. Thank you very much for your comments. I will be back on a large adventure bike next year. So thanks for your comments. Keep them coming. Thank you for the engagement, and I will speak to you again very soon.